Good morning, everybody. Morning, everybody. I am Dr. Basuraju C, working as professor in Electronics and Communication Engineering Department in Cambridge Institute of Technology, Bangalore, from last 6 years. Let me talk today on a topic called how to enjoy your job best way, in an entertaining way, in a simple way, in a straightforward way, and in an understanding way to others. Actually, why I have taken this topic today is because I have observed many employees, whoever they may be, right? They are telling this common word, I am not enjoying the job. I'm getting boring. I'm getting irritating. My boss is not good. My organization is not good. All these negative words I observed. I'm telling you, no. Every environment you can create by your own, right? That is all left in you only. You can make your organizations better, best. Your companies better, best. It is all in you only and in your energy only, energy level only. We all need basically energy level high to work. For me today, I'm going to tell you all this energy, how it comes with my experiences only. For all of you will get energy through nature only. I'm a nature lover, basically from agriculturing family. I'll tell you the secrets behind any work is a green energy. This is what I would like to tell in this video. Now let me thank first nature, let me thank plants, let me thank trees, let me thank agriculture, which I am doing from last 21 years without wasting single minute also. I am telling you here, basically from last 21 years, I have worked as lecturer, I worked as assistant professor, associate professors, professor and HOD of electronics departments over 8 years, and then even as principal of engineering college over 2 years. All these years in my jobs, I have not just worked, I have enjoyed working in all these positions. I am telling you, each job is very important. My suggestions to you is you enjoy each profession in its full way. Enjoy its full. For me, the job which I am enjoyed from all these years, the great motivations which I am getting is from nature only. The other interesting area which I am doing is these trees. That to nature means agriculture means I am proudly saying that I am having 5 to 6,000 trees, different kinds of trees in 4 to 5 farms of mine. All trees, different varieties of trees planted, and then along with job in Sundays only I've seen all these plants become trees. I'm happy to say. What I'm saying is, I'm not boasting or I'm not for any other things. I'm not saying this story. For me, all energy which in my teaching I'm getting through this nature only. I have a habit of before telling all this energy, let me thank my thousands and thousands of students, all my friends, colleagues, everybody, especially to my family, my wife, my kids, 2 daughters I am having, they are also enjoying, whole family is enjoying both the professions, Now, why I am telling this is, I have a habit of, in my job, from the last so many years, for me, every Friday and Monday is very special to me. Let me tell you why. Because whenever Friday comes, week end, and whenever Monday comes, week start, I get more energy. I teach 6 to 7 hours continuously. Everybody is asking me, where do you get energy for this to teach? Nowadays, you know it, right? Teaching is a very good, great profession. I'm telling you, we in the same platform to all of you, those teachers, those are in teaching job. You are the best, right, persons in this world. You can get greatest satisfactions. For you, my suggestions to you is, please prepare well, plan well, and make the sequences of sequence you are telling it to the students. Please plan it properly. Then you can teach whole world. You can teach in any way in this world, in a great way, entertaining way. I am betting you this is possible. When you do that, you will get satisfactions like anything. You cannot see these satisfactions from any works, any money by giving. You will not get such satisfactions which I am getting, right, from students, right, all these years. Now, for me, why I am doing this? This is the questions often asked by teachers also and students also. Sir, what is the secret? Then now I am telling you, every Sundays, all these years, you can ask all my villagers, all my friends whom I know, right? I am having a habit of going to continuously, right, every Sundays to my village, which is 170 kilometers away from my institute, from Bangalore. It is a small village where I drive car, morning 3 o'clock I get up. At Sundays, I reach there by 6 o'clock. I am the first person reaching my farm, where I have a bunch of students, friends, 10 to 15 friends of mine. They are all students. We start enjoying the work in our farms. 6 o'clock exactly morning. 5 hours we continuously enjoy working in farms. All the type of works in a farms we are doing. All the type of works in farms means watering plants, cleaning plants, and medicining plants. And by seeing which plant is not doing well, is not growing well, we replace all plants. You can see my videos. I'll show you the videos also, please. Watch my videos. Right there you will see it, the disciplines which I adopted there. 5 hours meticulously we work. Right? 10 to 15 friends, students, friends of mine. We enjoy village farms like anything. Then immediately 11 we stop work. Sundays. Come back again. Right? And we be there here in 2 o'clock only. In Bangalore actually. Now, this is the energy. This is what motivations for me. Right? To do excellently work in my institute. Wherever I worked. Whatever the positions I worked. This is what I want to say. Of course, money definitely matters, I know. Money you have to explain what is it. You have to put money for this. I am happily sharing, I am telling all my 21 years, the money which I get from all these teaching professions, almost 80%, 70 to 80%, I kept it for trees only. Right? And this gives lots of satisfactions to me. Of course, money also I'll get it now if you want to sell and all. No, that I'll not do. Right? This is the satisfactions. In the end age, right, you need not have to worry about losing jobs. That I don't have now. I'm telling you, I don't have, right, losing job. That is the problem every one of you are facing nowadays. I don't have a fear of losing job, because actually, in fact, the same energy, this is the secret behind teaching 6 hours, 8 hours, whatever the kind of job given by my higher ups to me. I'm enjoying job I'm doing each and every job which is assigned to me. Thanks to my college for this. Thanks to my chairman especially, is giving lots of facilities in my college, and my HOD, principal, all colleagues, every one of my friends are really helping me to do this. Now again, in my jobs also, all villagers asking me, how can you get this energy to do agriculturing? This sayings, every time they are telling, we are not getting interest to do agriculturing. How can you get interest as a professor, as a doctor, as a right HODs and all work I have done? No, how can you get energy? How can you get this motivation? I am telling you all friends. Others also may be looking now. Many others in the professions also. Nowadays it's a fashions. Many of your employers or employees, you may be also thinking of doing farms. Definitely, why not you do it? Do it first. Go and start. 6 hours you don't have time. You can use technology to control now farming. Right? You can enjoy. Now I am telling the same platform, all the villagers or all the nature lovers who wants to start farming. You can use the same energy of your jobs and use it and enjoy the job. This is what I would like to tell all of you, right? At the same time, in this corona period, one more thing I would like to tell you all. See, for example, I bet you, if you are really enjoying the villages and there the greens, trees, right? I don't think any of the diseases, including corona I am talking, in front of green energy, it is nothing. Even if corona comes to me or anybody after all, who is really working in the fields, you will not get, even if corona comes, it will run away from you. Because that much of immunity, I'm not a doctor, but I say through experience, right here, even if corona comes, you will have immunity to resist those type of diseases in you, in your body, because of this green energy. This is what I would like to say, right? Please enjoy the nature, love the nature, live in nature, which is missing nowadays. I hope you will all understood this concepts of nature and your job. I am telling you, I am basically from an agriculturing family. I am telling you this. You may be, your interesting areas may be something else other than agriculturing also. You love one job of yours continuously, do full. Maybe you may be the software engineers, you may be hardware engineers, you may be principal of engineering college, you may be the chairmen of institutions, educational institutions, or you may be company owners. You may be anybody. Nowadays I have seen that you are all getting stressed. Please don't get stressed. You are all doing wonderful jobs. Instead, you give your 6 hours per week to the nature only, which is my experience. Or if you are not having land, if you are not having your farms, you may like your own interest. Maybe you are a businessman from your family background, or you may be doing whatever the business your parents are doing. Please spend 6 hours time per week to your interested areas. Spend, enjoy the time. And don't say I don't have time. I am telling you, I am betting you, from a villager or attender to the president of US, you will all get 6 hours time per week for your health only, for your fitness only. This is not for anybody. When you spend time to your interested areas, 6 hours, you will get relaxed, you will get energy, you can work exactly like anybody, right? Like a thundering fellow, you can start a week Monday with a great energy. This is what my experiences, right? And this is how I am enjoying both the works also full and also my interested area, which is what planting or growing trees. This is what I am not growing anything crafts here. I am growing only trees here. I am not going for crafts, right? This is what I would like to say. In the end, whoever watched these videos, if you get benefited, thank you very much. You also can apply this. If you likes it, good. If you want to comment it, I have no problem at all. I'll take all your comments. Just my wish is each one of you can be like this. It is 100, and my wishes to you is you have 100 folds energy higher than me, right? That especially to the students, whoever interested, whoever studying, be engineering, medical, any field, any disciplines. I am not talking to engineering or medical students only. No, any students in particular today. You please enjoy both studies and your habit. Don't leave your habit also. Good habit that must be, right? Now, take a time. Please see my videos also now, right? And you can see my engineering videos, right? I am happy to say that I have, in this Corona period, 80 days, I published 60 to 70 signal systems videos. Those who are interested in signal systems, you can watch this. You go to YouTube, just type my name as Dr. Basuraju C. You will see all engineering videos. 80 days I published 50 to 60 videos, right? And the energy which I get is from my farms. You can also see my farms videos. The same time, I went to my village, right? There, I worked each and every work of a villager which I posted here, right? I want to see that each one of you gets benefit. Don't say, I'm tired. I can't do this. I can't do that job. Students are not good. Teachers are not good. Stop blaming. Instead, start enjoying the life. You are really blessed to have this much of technology. Sky is the limit. If you really have knowledge, if you have skills, if you have commitment towards any goal, you can do this. Let me end this speech with the great sayings of our great Vivekananda Ji's. That is, arise, awake, sleep not till you reach your great goal. Please write your goal. That should not be small goal. Please write. Don't be confused in writing goals. Little goals you don't write. Write one great goal, big goal. No problem. If you achieve 10% of it also, no problem at all. You are better than so many people. Then in the end, by saying these few lines, I would say once again, thank you very much for all of you.